Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to make Instagram Reels with music. So first of all, you need to create a new Reels by clicking this little plus symbol over here. And then choose Reel. After that, you can select videos, footage, or photos that you want to turn into a Reel. So I'm going to select a footage that I want to make a reel in this project. Alright, for example, I'm going to choose this footage over here. Nice. And then to add a music, you can click this button over here. I'm going to choose it with pointer here. Click that icon and then you can search for music that you want, for example like this. Or you can also use several recommendations from Instagram. So I think I'm going to choose this one. Alright, so click on the music and then you can choose the part that you want to be inserted in the reel. You can just use in the recommendation dots over there, and if you're done, just click done. And after that, you can edit the reels using text or emojis, and then you can write a caption for your reel post. For example like this, I'm just going to type randomly, and if you're done, just click share and it will be shared to your feeds. So that's how you make Instagram Reels with music. It's easy, right? So thank you guys for watching. If you find this tutorial helpful, remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in other tutorial videos from this channel.